In this video, how to fix keyboard not working on your laptop. So first you need to go to settings, and in this Bluetooth is that Bluetooth and device. Click it and go for scroll down. Go for keyboard. In this keyboard you need to scroll down, and here you have the option is that keyboard accessibility. You need to click the accessibility and check the this option should be in disable mode. The sticky key, filter key and toggle key should be in disable mode. Okay, these important settings. Make sure these three icon in be disable mode. Okay. After that, you need to come back, and in this you need to search for device manager. Click the device manager. Once you click this menu will appear. In this menu you can scroll down and go for a keyboard. In this keyboard you have a standard PS2. So for this you need to update the driver. Take update driver, go to browse my computer and let me pick up and click it and click next. Windows has successfully updated your driver. It's successfully updated. After that you need to close it and you need to restart your PC. So I stick with video, so I'm not skipping the restart, but you need to restart your PC. Okay. After that you need to click scan for hardware changes. Once complete, after again you need to go to properties, and here you can see power management is there. Click it and make sure the allow the device to wake up the computer should be in disable mode. If it's enabled means you need to disable it, and after that you need to restart your PC. Once restart is complete, after you need to again open the settings and check the Windows update. So make sure your Windows should be in up to date. If there is any pending update or installation having means you need to update it and download and update it. Okay. Always your Windows should be in up to date. Sometimes the update will comes through window update also. So that's why I'm telling. So your window is up to date. Make sure it. After that you go and restart your PC. Thank you.